Alright, today I'm going to show you how to use the key fob on a Chrysler Pacifica. This is a key fob for a Chrysler Pacifica. I'm going to show you how to use it. Alright, so with this right here, it has typical lock and unlock. Here's the unlock. Press this, it unlocks. Press this, it locks. Now, if you go to the bottom right here, or to the middle level, it shows you how to open up the rear hatch or the rear door. Simply press it, nothing happens. I have to press it twice for it to open, and it opens up the rear door. Now to shut it, I'm just going to simply press this twice, and it shuts the rear door. Okay, so if you look to the right of this, right here you have a button. This is for the automatic start. Now in order for the automatic start, doors are locked. Go ahead and press this twice, and it will automatic start the vehicle, like when you're outside of the vehicle right here. So this is automatic start. Now if you look down to the bottom left, you have the opening for the sliding door for the left side. You have to press it twice in order for it to open. I press it twice, you can hear it. It is opening up the sliding door. In order to shut it, go ahead, press that twice, and it shuts it. The same works for the other side. Press it twice, it opens up, and then press it again twice, it closes. All right, so now it's closed. Now we have the button underneath it, and that's the panic button. So this is the panic button. Now, I have never turned it on myself, but I know in order to turn it on, you simply press and hold this for a few seconds, and it goes off. It'd be a honking noise, whatever. All right, and to stop it, you simply, I believe, lock the door, or either unlock it, or you can press this again for a couple of seconds and it should go off. One of those. You have to check your owner's manual. All right, next we're going to go to getting the physical key out. So if you ever need a physical key in order to get in the vehicle, simply press this button right here, and this key slides out. You see that? I'm going to show you again. I'm going to take this. It came out. All right. So, and when I'm done, I go ahead and put it back in just like that. And that is how you use the fob key on a Chrysler Pacifica. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.